Now we will see the classification of arrays. Array are classified in two types: fixed sized array and dynamic sized array. Fixed sized array is where we need to fix the size of an array initially before getting into the array. Okay, but in dynamic sized array, the size of the array is not at all fixed. It will change accordingly to the number of data you need to store. In C++, there are two memory allocation. First one is stack allocated and heap allocated. Stack allocated means it is an static memory allocation. Its value is stored one by one. First two will be stored, next three likewise it will store the value one by one. The heap allocated is dynamically allocated memory where the variable is initialized to its size and the elements of that array variables are stored during the runtime. Okay, in stack allocator the values are stored one by one during and compile time, but in heap allocator the values are stored in runtime. In C++ we using stack allocator and heap allocator, but in Java we only use heap allocated memory. Okay, then we are going to see dynamic memory allocation. In dynamic memory allocation, we initially declare a size of an array. If we try to store and more data than its original size is doubled. Okay. For example, here you see here this is an array of size 100. If you want to store more data, that is, if you want to store 101 or 102 means the compiler will create a new array and copy the data in this previous array into this new array, and the previous array is deleted. Okay, and the remaining data are stored into it. If you want to store further more data means the compiler will create a new array size of doubled to previous array. If previous array is 200 means the new array will be of doubled its size, that is of 400. Okay, 400, and it will copy all the previous array data into it and delete that previous array. Okay, this array is deleted, and if you want to store any data means that will store into here. Okay, in C++ for dynamic memory allocation we use vector. In Java we use array list. In Python we use list, which is of dynamic sized array.